Surprising health benefits of jogging. Strengthens the immune system. Moderate jogging enhances the body's immune response by increasing circulation and boosting white blood cell and antibody production, thereby reducing the risk of common colds and flu. Improves mental health. Jogging boosts mood by releasing endorphins and serotonin, which reduce anxiety and depression, and cortisol, the stress hormone, by triggering the release of natural chemicals. Enhances brain function. Jogging enhances brain function by increasing blood flow, supporting cell growth, and improving memory, concentration, and cognitive function, potentially preventing cognitive decline as we age. Supports weight loss. Jogging is a potent aerobic exercise that aids in calorie burning, fat reduction, and metabolism, particularly when combined with a balanced diet. Improves cardiovascular health. Jogging enhances heart muscle strength, blood circulation, blood pressure management, and LDL cholesterol reduction, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Builds stronger bones. Jogging, a weight-bearing exercise, promotes bone growth, increases bone density, reduces osteoporosis risk, strengthens ligaments, and enhances joint stability when performed correctly. Boosts lung capacity. Jogging enhances lung capacity, oxygen uptake, and respiratory muscle strength, promoting better stamina and endurance in daily activities and workouts. Enhances sleep quality. Jogging is a stress-reducing exercise that promotes physical fitness, sleep, and regulates the circadian rhythm, thereby reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. Increases self-confidence. Jogging enhances mental resilience, discipline, and accomplishment, while also improving physical appearance and goal achievement, thereby boosting self-esteem. Promotes longevity. Regular jogging can reduce early death risk from heart disease, cancer, and chronic conditions, and increase life expectancy by up to 6 years with just 1 to 25 hours per week. Reduces stress. Jogging, a form of exercise, is known to release endorphins and other feel-good chemicals, which can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. Regulates blood sugar levels. Jogging enhances insulin sensitivity, enhances muscle glucose utilization, aids in blood sugar control, and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Improves skin health. Jogging involves sweating to remove toxins from the skin, while increased blood circulation provides nutrients and oxygen, resulting in a healthy glow. Increases energy levels. Jogging enhances mitochondria production in cells, improves energy levels, and reduces daily fatigue. Enhances digestive health. Jogging enhances gut motility and can prevent constipation by stimulating the digestive tract. Strengthens the core. Jogging, a lower body exercise, enhances balance and posture by engaging core muscles, contributing to a stronger midsection.